Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with us. In the last episode, we talked about basic emotions. How to say I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm tired, and so on. But in real life, our emotions are more complex than that.
Exactly. Sometimes I feel proud and nervous at the same time. It's hard to find the right word.
Perfect example. Today we'll explore how to describe mixed and complex emotions, how to talk about other people's feelings, and how to respond in a natural way. 1. Complex feelings. Beyond happy and sad. Let's start with some more detailed emotions, the ones that describe deeper feelings. Emotion meaning example. Proud. Feeling good about yourself or someone. I'm proud of my team. Grateful. Thankful. I'm grateful for your help. Confused. Not sure what to think. I'm confused about what she said. Embarrassed. Feeling uncomfortable or shy. I'm embarrassed. I forgot his name. Guilty. Feeling bad after doing something wrong. I feel guilty about being late. Relieved. Happy because a problem is over. I'm relieved the exam is finished.
I really like relieved. It feels like when stress disappears, right?
Exactly. It's that feeling after something difficult is done.
So I can say, I'm relieved the interview went well.
Perfect example. 2. Talking about embarrassment. Embarrassment is very common and funny sometimes. You can say, I'm embarrassed. That was so awkward. I felt so stupid. I wanted the ground to swallow me up. Idiom. Very embarrassed.
Haha, I've had that feeling before. Like when I wave at someone who's not actually waving at me.
Exactly. Then you say, oh no, that was so embarrassing. It's okay. Everyone's been there.
And awkward means like uncomfortable, right?
Yes. Not easy, not natural. For example, the silence was awkward, or that moment was a bit awkward. 3. Describing calm and relief. Now let's move to positive but quiet emotions. Peace, calm, and relief. You can say, I feel calm. I'm at peace. I'm relaxed. I'm relieved everything worked out. I feel lighter.
Oh, I feel lighter. That's poetic.
Yes, it's a nice way to say your stress is gone. You can also say, I feel at ease, which means comfortable and not worried. 4. Talking about stress and anxiety. Now let's talk about the opposite. When you feel tension or fear, I'm anxious, I'm under pressure, I'm tense, I'm on edge means nervous or irritable. I'm freaking out. Informal, very nervous.
So I'm freaking out is like I'm very stressed.
Exactly. It's common in casual speech. For example, I'm freaking out. I have a job interview tomorrow.
Ha ha, that's me before every presentation.
5. Talking about other people's feelings. Now let's learn to describe how someone else feels. You just change I'm to he's, she's, or their. For example, she looks happy today. He seems tired. They look worried. She sounds upset. He feels proud of his work.
Wait, looks, seems, and sounds. What's the difference?
Great question. Looks equals what you see. She looks tired. Sounds equals what you hear. He sounds angry on the phone. Seems equals your general impression. She seems happy today.
Oh, that's clear now. So if my friend is quiet, I can say, she seems sad.
Exactly. 6. Reacting to someone's feelings. When someone tells you how they feel, it's important to react naturally. Here are some examples. Situation possible response. Friend is happy. That's great. I'm so happy for you. Friend is sad. I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it? Friend is angry. I understand. Take a deep breath. Friend is tired. You should rest a bit. Friend is stressed. Don't worry. It'll be fine. You've got this.
You've got this. That means you can do it, right?
Exactly. It's an encouraging phrase, short but powerful.
So if a friend says, I'm nervous about my exam, I can say, don't worry, you've got this.
Perfect. 7. Expressing love, care, and support. Now let's look at the softer side of emotions. Love, affection, and care. You can say, I care about you. I really appreciate you. You mean a lot to me. I'm thankful for you. I love spending time with you.
So these aren't just for romantic situations, right?
Exactly. You can use them with friends, family, even coworkers, depending on the tone. For example, I really appreciate your help. Perfect at work. You mean a lot to me. Perfect for someone close. 8. Mixed emotions. Sometimes we feel more than one emotion at the same time. You can say, I'm happy but nervous. I'm excited and a little scared. I'm proud but sad it's over. I have mixed feelings about it.
Mixed feelings. That's a good one.
Yes, it means you feel two opposite things. For example, I have mixed feelings about moving abroad. I'm excited, but I'll miss my family.
Oh, I've had that feeling before.
9. Pronunciation and intonation practice. Let's practice a few sentences with natural emotion and rhythm. Repeat after me. I'm proud of you. I'm confused right now. She looks upset. I'm relieved it's over. Don't worry. You've got this.
I'm proud of you. I'm confused right now. She looks upset. I'm relieved it's over. Don't worry, you've got this.
Perfect. Remember, emotions live in your voice. Smile when you say happy things. Slow down when you say sad things. 10. Practice scene, real life emotions. Let's try one more little dialogue.
Okay.
Hey Maya, you look nervous. What's wrong?
Yeah, I'm a bit anxious. I have a presentation this afternoon.
You'll do great. You've got this.
Thanks. I'll feel relieved once it's over.
That's the spirit. And after that, you'll feel proud.
Ha! True. Emotions come and go, just like waves.
Beautifully said, Maya. 11. Review and wrap up. So today, we went beyond the basics and learned how to talk about complex feelings. Proud, guilty, confused, relieved, embarrassed, and more.
And also how to describe other people's feelings. She looks happy. He seems tired. They sound upset.
Exactly. And we practiced reacting naturally. That's great. I'm sorry to hear that, and you've got this.
It's amazing how much emotion we can express with just a few simple words.
Absolutely. Because speaking a language isn't just grammar, it's connection.
So true.
See you next time in our next topic.
Can't wait. Bye, everyone.